Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 6 BM and EM, welcome to our online class. Today our subject is English second paper, topic preposition. You know, preposition is an important part of English grammar and it is also from your syllabus. Teacher, I am MD Abdul Kader, Max sir. Okay, let's start. At first we can know preposition. What is preposition? The definition of preposition. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns or phrases to other words within a sentence. Generally, we can say a preposition is that type of word which is used before a noun or pronoun or a phrase to make a link with the other word of the sentence. Dear students, you know there is a large number of prepositions in English grammar. Today we shall try to know about only 3 prepositions. They are in, on, at. In, on, at. For describing time and place. For describing time and place, we shall use in, on, at. We shall use in before a bigger time or a bigger place. Describing a bigger time, generally a bigger time or a bigger place. From left hand side, we can see years. That means before years, we shall use in. In 1975, Bangladesh became independent in 1971. Before months, in March, in December. Before weeks, in 5 weeks, in 7 weeks. Before seasons, in spring, in summer, in autumn. In this way, we shall use in before a bigger time. Before periods of time. Periods of time. Suppose in the future. In the future. In the past. It's a period of time. Before holidays. Before holidays. In the summer vacation. In the winter vacation. In this way we shall use in. For describing parts of the day. Parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, they are the parts of the day. We shall use in before a bigger place, before countries. In Bangladesh, we live in Bangladesh. Cities, in Dhaka, we live in Dhaka. Neighborhood, in my neighborhood. Neighborhood is also an area. In this way, we shall use in before a bigger time or a bigger place. For describing enclosed space in a car. I was in a car. In the kitchen, she was in the kitchen room. I was in my reading room. It's an enclosed space. In this way, we shall use in. Now, we shall know about on. About on, use of on. For more specific or smaller time or place, we shall use on. For describing more specific and smaller time, we shall use on. From left hand side, we can see time. On the weekend. On the weekend. Days, on Monday, on Sunday, on Saturday, on Friday. I will go there on Friday. Dates, on 3rd May, on 17th March, on 13th February. Specific days, on my birthday, on his birthday, on her birthday, on my father's marriage day. Before, day plus part of day, for describing day plus part of day. Suppose on Sunday morning I will go there on Saturday morning. Holidays with days, on Eid day, on Eid day, on Christmas day. For describing more specific or smaller place, we shall use on. Before streets, on Victoria Street Avenue, on 11th Avenue, on Bangabandhu Avenue. Surface, on the floor, on the floor, on the chair, on the table. The book is on the table. Communications, on internet, on radio. In this way, we shall use on before more specific and smaller time and place. Now, we shall use at. Very specific and smallest time, for describing very specific and smallest time, we shall use at. From left hand side, we can see hours. At 9 a.m., at 9 p.m. We go to school at 9 a.m. Time, at the moment, at the moment. Parts of the day, at midnight, at night, at midday. In this way we shall use at before a time. For describing address, at 17 Victoria Road, at 17 Victoria Street. A specific location, specific locations, at the station, at the station. Before institution, at school, at college, at university. In this way, we shall use at. Dear students, in the next video, we shall try to discuss in details about preposition. Now, today, stay home, stay safe.